Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll tackle a common problem that many of us face when working with Git repositories. The problem we're looking to solve is related to ensuring our cloned repo is in the desired state before packaging it up for distribution. While using Git Reset hard ref does a great job at removing unwanted files, unfortunately, it doesn't cover empty folders that may have been added to the local directory. In comes the solution. Git provides us with a handy command called git clean that targets untracked files and folders. By using the D flag, we can ensure that this cleaning operation is recursive, effectively removing any empty folders that were not part of the tracked files. This way, we can guarantee that our repo is clean and ready to be packaged without any unnecessary clutter. Problem solved. In summary, by combining git reset hard $ref to handle tracked files and folders and git clean D to take care of untracked items, we have a robust solution to ensure our repo is in the desired state before proceeding with packaging. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Remember, cleanliness is key in the world of Git.